Oh, sorry about that. That's just where I was trying to game out. This game is actually pretty hard because I've actually tried it out before. And a few minutes ago, I finally got through the first level. And now I'm on the second level and map. And second vehicle. Yeah, that's my friend down there. Sorry about the inconvenience. Ah, crap. There it is. Yeah. But, yeah. Hope y'all enjoy. Yeah, if you hear people talking in the background, that's my grandparents. John and Rebecca Akers. But yeah, this game may not look hard to you guys like watching it, but as I'm playing it, it's really hard. There's one of my cargo pieces. Uh-oh. Nothing on either side. This sucks. This seriously sucks. Yeah, and in case you're wondering, I don't edit any videos at all. Oop. Yes! There's a fragging end, finally. Well, let's go to the next level. See what this one is. But yeah, guys, I would play some music in my videos, but I'm just kind of scared to get a copyright strike. You know what I mean? Yep. There's me failing for you. Yeah. I'm just gonna restart now. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry that I didn't make any videos for a little while. I ended up with a stomach bug, and I've been sick. This is like 2 days after my first video. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. Yeah, I believe in real life you'd be able to get out of this. Yeah, because you got traction right there where that tire is. On the right side, the inside tire, on the right side in the back. You can see it's got good traction right there. And then the left inside tire on the back. And then the outside tire on the right has traction out to the hill. But, yeah. I'll give it one more try. And then, yeah. I'll just probably... I think I'm giving it one or two more shots at... Taking one or two more shots at it. And if I can't get it then, I'm just going to leave the video there. Ain't nothing getting me out of this. One more shot at this, guys. Like, subscribe if you have not already. I mean, if you like the video. I ain't putting no pressure on y'all. This may not turn out how I want it to. Yeah. Well, I'm just going to leave the video here. Thanks for watching. Hope to have y'all watching in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.